2004 Pontiac GTO. Only 20,593 miles on this two-owner, adult-driven, clean Carfax, no accidents. Beautiful Pontiac. Not kidding when I say they don't make them like this anymore. 5.7 liter LS1 power underneath the hood. Take a look at the front fascia, how clean that is. Good condition. Couple little touch-up spots I noticed up here in the hood. I don't even know if I can really get them to show up. There they are. Just very, very minute. Automatic transmission paired up with that 5.7 liter. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. 507-386-1726 is where you can give them a call at. Also check out probably close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Riding on the correct wheels. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Look down the side of this. Passenger side, nice and clean, free of nicks, dings, and scratches. This is torrid red. Interior is red hot combination leather interior. As you can see, bucket seats, center console. You can check out a picture of the window sticker in with the rest of the still pictures. This is also going to come with the owner's manuals. Showroom brochure will be included in the purchase. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Don't forget to ask your sales consultant about extending that warranty protection plan. Again, just a little over 20,000 miles on this car. Two-owner, clean Carfax. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. We can check it out. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side from the rear to the front. Again, that paint in most places appears that it's wet. It's got such a nice shine to it. Yes, like I mentioned, there might be a place here or there where it's touched up. Previous owner cared for the car. But overall, no major nicks, dings, scratches. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, check out underneath the hood. I have not noticed any modifications or anything to this stock. Check this out. This protective sill plate still has the coating on it, like the plastic coating, and I'm just going to leave it there for the next owner. If they want to take it off, they can. Door panels, again, that red hot combination leather. Of course, your modern amenities, you're going to get on a later model vehicle with the power mirrors, power windows, driver's information center on this one, AM/FM CD player with CD changer, Blaupunk. Would have been stock in this car when it was new. Let's take a look at the seats here. Let me show you these, because this leather is also in nice shape where I started up. And you'll be able to see all the still pictures online, a bunch of the interior. So the interior is in nice shape. Now let's check out the miles. 20,593. There it is. Rest of the dash. Top also in nice shape. Alright. The stereo system obviously working. Turn that down a second. And you'd be able to scroll through your information center with a button on the right over here. All of that working order. No check engine lights, service engine soon lights, anything like that on. Of course, the red-faced gauges. Good sounding car. Headliner, also in fine shape. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice deep exhaust note. Of course, you get on one of these out on the highway and open it up. It's going to come alive. Don't see them like this too often anymore with the low miles, great condition. getting tougher and tougher to find. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood, check out that engine bay. We'll wrap this video up. Nice and clean on the underside of the hood. You can tell this car's not been driven in inclement weather. There it is, LS1 power, 5.7 liter, great power plant. That's paired up with that automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. One of those cars, get in, turn the key and go, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Nothing to hide on this one. 2004 Pontiac GTO, 2-owner, torrid red. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Don't forget about that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, may be extendable. Check with your sales consultant. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2004 Pontiac GTO. Red on the outside and red and black on the inside. This is automatic on the center console, really easy to drive. Lots of power for a small car, lots of fun. We have a tachometer that works, speedometer works, fuel gauge is almost full. Temperature is a quarter of the gauge. This car has AC that works. The radio works great. Comfortable leather seating. Smooth ride. It's a quiet ride. If I let go of the steering wheel, she stays right in lane. Nice and straight. Not feeling any shakes or anything like that. Brakes work excellent. Really pretty neat interior with the black and kind of a darker red. Red stitching in different places. Let's get around the corner here and accelerate one more time. Very good acceleration. This car's lots of fun. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com. GoPros, stop capturing.